It is coming up on 6:15. Chinese New Year, always fun, a lot of great food, a lot of great celebration. Happy New Year out there. All right, Betsy, you just hanging in today? Did you go to the movies? You went to go to lunch? What's going on?
Took a nap, got my hair done, you know,
okay.
Another day in the office here, obviously. Yeah, the past, let's see, Saturday was the first day that I really kind of started to lock in on this storm. And every day since, I am checking models before I even get out of bed. So it is a great way to start the day, certainly. Let's get into it, friends. What's the same? We have a significant storm coming. Accumulations will depend on the storm's track. These are things you already know because this is what I've been telling you the whole time. And what else is the same? Ice. Anything liquid or slushy will freeze by Friday, okay? So that's a big key as to one of the big impacts of this storm. So what has changed? Well, now we have winter storm warnings that have been issued for lakeshore counties. The overall track has shifted slightly southward. That will mean more snow, less ice, and more snow farther south too. So there's a few adjustments that we've already made. There's more to come. The pieces of the storm are coming together. We've got cold air to the north. We've got an incredible amount of moisture that's working northward, and we have a big shot of energy, big upper level punch of energy that's going to bring it all together and make it intensify. The key right now is the moisture side of things. All of the humidity, all those high intense, humidity values are running right along a cold front. That cold front will drop in here tomorrow night. When it does, it will be notable because it's going to make the rain change over to snow, and that will then begin our dance with this storm. But you can see we're not alone. I mean, there are alerts, warnings, advisories all the way from border to border, from the Rio Grande clear up into New England. So it is a prolific storm. It is a very big storm. It is a very complex storm. And we have winter storm warnings, as I mentioned, that have been issued for Lake, Cuyahoga, Lorain, Erie, and Huron counties for now. More will be added. And then the winter storm watch farther to the south that continues. The rain will be moving in tomorrow. Rain first. That's bad. We still have block drains, so we're going to have like street flooding, and any standing water, remember, will be freezing late Thursday into Friday. The rain to snow changeover comes in Wednesday night, and it will continue to move from northwest to southeast through the overnight hours. We'll pick up a quick hit of snow that will accumulate very slushy type initially, and then we'll start to see the fluff factor going up. By morning, we are in all snow with a little sleet down to our south, and we'll continue to have snow throughout the day. And look at the temperatures by the evening. So this is when all that slush freezes up. So we have all snow for our lakeshore counties. The heaviest accumulations are likely to be out to the west as of right now, out toward the Sandusky area, over toward Toledo with 12 to 18 inches. 10 to 15 inches, generally speaking, for the areas you see here in blue. That does include Cleveland. Akron kind of bisected, which would mean I think we're looking at about 10 inches or so. 5 to 10 inches in the pink. This is where we're going to have a sleet snow mix, and then you'll have a little slick of freezing rain and some sleet and some snow in our far southern areas. Based on how the storm moves, this could be shifting north and south. And remember, it's been a southward shift today. We could see this shifting south. That means more areas in this 10 to 15. So definitely something to watch. Roads, not going to be good. Air travel, probably already being taken care of because a lot of the airlines are calling ahead to everybody and having them rebook. And we will have a lot, and I do mean a lot, of school closings Thursday, probably Friday too, and some power outages to be concerned about. There's a lot going on and still a lot of details that we're going to be adjusting going forward. But one thing we do know, Peyton, we had 50s and sunshine today.
Yeah, and I think, the thing here is that we can really remember time is in our favor, especially if you have the extra time tonight. This is really that final push to prep here. So maybe it's heading to the grocery store, topping off your gas tank tonight, or maybe simply heading out to a snow pile that you've kind of left for a couple of weeks to kind of clear some of that area outside. The mess is going to be here. It starts tomorrow, lingers through Thursday. Thursday is going to be the powerhouse day here. And then Friday, we start to see things leave, but that does not mean that we are done just quite yet, because an Arctic blast is going to follow the mess that we get. So breaking it down once again, because Betsy already told you some of the numbers here and really fine tuning that. But once again, just a little extra proof here to go through the day. As we kickstart tomorrow morning, things will become messy when it comes to just rain. Then you can actually see just the changeover. That pink strip there, that is that icing mixture here that is going to sweep on through. So that sleet also going to progress a little bit farther south, kind of dominate there, but that doesn't mean that's the only spot that's going to see it. And then snow sticks with us widespread almost all day Thursday. Behind Thursday, though, things start to clear on out for Friday, but temperatures are going to be back in the teens. So the 40s and the 50s you saw today, kiss those goodbye because they are not going to be here much longer. Simply tomorrow, we're going to be in the upper 30s, falling steadily, then back in the 20s, and then upper teens for Friday and right around 20 for Saturday. Sports is next after the break.